Today we solve activities based on properties of areas of two triangles. Activity: filling the blanks properly. First, area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle APQ. Here find out this ratio. In triangle ABC, BC is base and AR is height. And in triangle APQ, PQ is the base and AR is the height. Now write down the ratio BC into AR upon PQ into AR. Here AR common, that cancel. Answer is BC upon PQ. Now second example. Here two triangles are there, LMN and triangle DMN. LP is the height of triangle LMN and DQ is the height of triangle DMN. Area of triangle LMN is to area of triangle DMN is equal to MN into LP upon MN into DQ. MN common, therefore LP upon DQ. Activity third. This is a given triangle. M is midpoint of segment AB, means AM and BM are congruent. CM is median. Therefore, there are these two triangles AMC and BMC. Here, to find out area of triangle AMC is to area of triangle BMC is equal to find out here, height is not given. Draw the height. This height is common for these two triangles because here AM and BM on the same line and C is the common vertex. Therefore, this height is common for both the triangles. Therefore, ratio is AM upon BM. Triangles having equal height. Therefore, this is ratio is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. Next, here AM and BM are congruent or AMB congruent. Therefore, this MB we replaced by AM upon AM. M is midpoint of segment AB. Therefore, ratio is 1. Now we solve examples from practice set 1.1. Question number 1. Base of a triangle is 9 and height is 5. Base of another triangle is 10 and height is 6. Find out the ratios of areas of these triangles. This is a question. Solution. Here B1 is 9 and H1 is 5. B2 base of another triangle, that is 10 and H2 is 6 given. The ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the product of their bases and corresponding heights. Therefore, A1 is to A2 is equal to B1 H1 is to B2 H2. Now substitute the values of B1 H1, B2 H2 is equal to 9 into 5 upon 10 into 6. Here 3 3 ja 9, 3 2 ja 6, 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. Therefore 3 into 1 3 and 4 into 2 into 2 4. The answer is 3 is to 4 or 3 upon 4. Example number 2. In figure, BC is perpendicular to AB and AD is perpendicular to AB. BC is equal to 4 and AD is equal to 8. Then find area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle ADB. Solution. In triangle ABC and ADB, this AB is common base. BC is perpendicular to AB and AD is also perpendicular to AB. This is given. Therefore, area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle ADB is equal to heights are BC and AD. Reason, triangles having equal base. Four upon 8. Now substitute the values. 4 1 ja 4, 2 ja. The answer is 1 upon